Beautiful Thursday. We're at Ludlow Races today, sponsoring a race, and we are here to support Rabi and try and elevate their good work, which we all know there's lots of issues in farming at the moment which seem to be way above what we're normally used to, and we've got to support these people. You know, we sell a lot of machines to farmers, and we appreciate everything we get from the farmers business wise, and we're trying to give a bit back. So the staff at Ace ATV, along with Can-Am, one of our suppliers, have put some cash in today, and we're here to support Kate.
Yes, and on behalf of RABI and all those we support, I just want to say a huge thank you to Ace ATV for sponsoring a race today and coming down. The sun is shining, it's going to be a wonderful day, so we look forward to seeing everyone later on.
Yeah, we'll see you all later. Thank you.